Hello friend. Now today I'm going to discuss this Bernoulli's differential equation. Now see, last time we have seen this topic which is linear differential equation. Now see, what is the definition of linear differential equation? A differential equation of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where what is p and q? P and q should be functions of x alone. This is called a linear differential equation. See, what is the definition of linear differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is called a linear differential equation, where what is p and q? P and q should be functions of x alone. This is called a linear differential equation. Now also we have seen that if the differential equation, if it is a linear differential equation, then how to find out its solution? Its solution, it is given by the formula y into integrating factor is equal to integral integrating factor into q dx plus c. Where how to calculate this if integrating factor, this is given by the formula e raised to integral p dx. Now in previous video we have seen all this topic. We have seen the definition of linear differential equation. We have seen the formula for finding the solution of linear differential equation, and this is the formula for integrating factor. Now see, what is the definition of Bernoulli's differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, and just multiply right hand side by y raised to n. This is called a Bernoulli's differential equation. See, what is the definition of Bernoulli's differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is now linear differential equation. Just multiply right hand side by terms of y. This is called now Bernoulli's differential equation. So first of all, remember the definition of Bernoulli's differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y raised to n. This is called a Bernoulli's differential equation. Now see, what is the method for solving the Bernoulli's differential equation? This is the method. Okay, divide through by this terms of y. See, what is the method? If suppose this is the Bernoulli's differential equation, then what is the first step? Divide through by this terms of y. So what we get? Now suppose if we divide by y raised to n, then what we get? This is y raised to minus n into dy by dx plus p. Now if we divide y raised to n, then we get this is y raised to 1 minus n is equal to q. Then what is the next step? Put this coefficient, it is equal to v. So let us put y raised to 1 minus n is equal to v. So see, there are two steps in Bernoulli's differential equation. What is the first step? Okay, first of all, identify the given differential equation, whether it is Bernoulli's differential equation or not. This is the standard pattern. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into term of y. This is called a Bernoulli's differential equation. Now, what is the method for solving the Bernoulli's differential equation? There are two steps. What is the first step? Just divide this total equation by this term of y. And what is step number 2? Put this coefficient equal to v and convert this differential equation into a linear differential equation. Now see, what we do here is that anyhow convert this Bernoulli's differential equation into linear differential equation. Now we have already seen this method how to solve the linear differential equation. So see, if the differential equation, if suppose that is the Bernoulli's differential equation, then what is the method? Anyhow convert this Bernoulli's differential equation into a linear differential equation by making some substitution. Or what is the method? Just divide this total equation by term of y and let us put this coefficient equal to v and convert this Bernoulli's differential equation into linear differential equation. Now let us solve some example on Bernoulli's differential equation. Now see, this is our first example. To solve the differential equation dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to minus x into y raised to 4. Now this is suppose the solution and this is our given differential equation. Let this is the given differential equation dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to minus x into y raised to 4. Now see, just now we have seen the definition of Bernoulli's differential equation. See, what is the definition of Bernoulli's differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y raised to n. This is called a Bernoulli's differential equation. This right hand side contains the product of x and y. What is q? Q, it is a function of x. So if this right hand side contains the product of x and y, then this may be a Bernoulli's differential equation. See, what is the definition of Bernoulli's differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y raised to n. So obviously what is given, that is a Bernoulli's differential equation. Now see, what is the method for solving the Bernoulli's differential equation? What is the first step? Divide throughout by this term of y. This is our step number 1. So right here, divide throughout by y raised to 4 we get. So divide this total equation by y raised to 4. So what we get? So right here, therefore, now if we divide this first term by y raised to 4, then we get y raised to minus 4 into dy by dx plus 2x y and divide by y raised to 4. So we get y raised to minus 3 is equal to minus x. So this is our first step. What is the first step? If suppose the given differential equation, if it is a Bernoulli's differential equation, then what is first step? Okay, divide throughout by term of y. So this is our equation. Now what is the next step? Just put this coefficient equal to v and convert this Bernoulli's differential equation into a linear differential equation. So write down, put y raised to minus 3 is equal to v. So differentiating both sides by with respect to x, so we get minus 3 y raised to minus 4 into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. So we require this term y raised to minus 4 into dy by dx. So just divide by minus 3. So what we get? This is y raised to minus 4 into dy by dx, this is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into dv by dx. So let us put these values in equation number, suppose 2. So right here, therefore, equation 2 becomes, so put the values, y raised to minus 4 into dy by dx, put this value, this is minus 1 upon 3 into dv by dx plus 2x, put y raised to minus 3 is equal to v, this is equal to minus x. So multiply throughout by minus 3, so what we get, this is dv by dx minus 6xv is equal to 3x. So this is our new equation, which is suppose equation number 3. So obviously this is a linear differential equation, and what is the type? dv by dx plus p into v is equal to q. So this is now called a linear differential equation. So see, in this method what we have done, we are converting this Bernoulli's differential equation into a linear differential equation. So we can solve this linear differential equation by our usual method. So right here the identification, which is a linear differential equation, and what is the type of the type? dv by dx plus pv is equal to q, where what is p and q? P and q should be functions of x alone. So right here the values of p and q, where p is equal to minus 6x and what is q? Q is equal to 3x. And we have seen how to solve this linear differential equation. If the differential equation, if it is a linear differential equation, then we have to find out the integrating factor and we have to find out the solution. So find out the integrating factor. So write down. Now, integrating factor is equal to, what is the formula? E raised to integral p dx. So this is e raised to integral, what is value of p? Minus 6x dx. So find out this integration, e raised to minus 6, integration of x, this is x square by 2. So cancel 2, so this is e raised to minus 3x square. So this is our integrating factor. So find out the solutions, write down the solution, therefore solution is, so what is the formula? V into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus constant of integration. So put the values, what is v? V means y raised to minus 3. What is our integrating factor? That is e raised to minus 3x square. This is equal to integral. Integrating factor means e raised to minus 3x square. And what is value of q? Q means our 3x dx plus constant c. Now say how to solve this integral. Now see, if you observe the given integration, then what is this integral? This integrand contains the product of algebraic term and the exponential term. See, what is this integrand? This integrand contains the product of algebraic term and some exponential term. Now see how to solve such a type of integral. What is the method? Just put this exponential power, this is equal to t. So right here, put this is the exponential power minus 3x square equal to t. So what is the derivative? Derivative will be minus 6x dx equal to dt. Now we required here 3x dx. So what is the value of 3x dx? 3x dx equal to, so just divide by -2. So this is -1/2 dt. What is the value of 3x dx? 3x dx will be -1/2 dt. Just divide by -2. So just put the values. So this is y raised to -3 into e raised to -3x square equal to, this is integral e raised to -3x square. This is the value of t. And what is the value of 3x dx? This is -1/2 dt plus constant of integration. So you just solve this integral. So this is -1/2. Integration of exponential term, it is same, e raised to t plus constant of integration. So just put the values. Y raised to -3 into e raised to -3x square, this is equal to -1/2 e raised to, now what is the value of t? T, this is our -3x square plus constant of integration. Now we can simplify this equation. Y raised to -3 means this is 1/y cube e raised to -3x square. This is -1/2 e raised to -3x square plus constant of integration. So we can cancel this e raised to -3x square. So 1/y cube, this is equal to -1/2. Just divide or multiply throughout by e raised to 3x square. So this will become c into e raised to 3x square. So this is our required general solution. Now let us solve this second example. Dy by dx minus y into tan x equal to minus y square into sec x. Now this is suppose our given differential equation, that is suppose equation number 1. Now see how to identify the Bernoulli's differential equation. Now see, this is the definition. A differential equation of the form dy by dx, so this is our dy by dx, plus p into y, where what is p? P is a function of x, is equal to q into term of y. So how to identify the Bernoulli's differential equation? This right hand side contains the product of x and y. What is q? Q is a function of x. So if the right hand side contains the product of x and y, then it may be a Bernoulli's differential equation. Now obviously our required form, that is the Bernoulli's differential equation. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y raised to n. So this is what the Bernoulli's differential equation. Now just now we have seen that if the differential equation, if it is a Bernoulli's differential equation, then how to solve the Bernoulli's differential equation? Divide throughout by this term of y. So right here, divide throughout by this y square. So what we get? So divide throughout by y square. Now if we divide first term by y square, then we get y raised to -2 into dy by dx. Divide this second term by y square. So y upon y square, so it is 1 upon y. 1 upon y means this is y raised to -1 into tan x. This is equal to minus sec x. Now what is the next step? Put this coefficient equal to v and convert this Bernoulli's differential equation into a linear differential equation. So let us put this variable equal to v. So right here, put y raised to -1 is equal to v. So find out differentiation with respect to x. So this is minus y raised to minus 2 into dy by dx. This is equal to dv by dx. Now we require this term y raised to minus 2 into dy by dx. Just transform this negative term. So this is y raised to minus 2 into dy by dx. This is equal to minus dv by dx. So put these values in this second equation. So right here, therefore, equation 2 becomes, now just put the values, y raised to minus 2 into dy by dx. This is our minus dv by dx minus tan x into, now put this value for y raised to minus 1, which is v. This is equal to minus sec x. So just simplify this equation. So just multiply by minus sign. So this dv by dx plus tan x into v, this is equal to sec x. So this is our new equation, that is equation number 3. So obviously this is the linear differential equation, and what is the type? dv by dx plus p into v is equal to q, where what is p and q? P and q should be functions of x alone. So see, in this method, we are converting this Bernoulli's differential equation into linear differential equation. So write down the identification. So right here, which is linear differential equation of the type, and what is the type? dv by dx plus pv is equal to q. So write down here the values of p and q, where what is p? P means this is tan x, and what is q? Q means the right hand side, which is sec x. So see, we have already seen how to solve the linear differential equation. If the differential equation, if it is a linear differential equation, then what is the method? We have to find out the integrating factor. So write down now. Integrating factor, this is equal to e raised to integral p dx. So this is the formula for finding the integrating factor. So e raised to integral, what is the value of p? P means it is tan x dx. Integration of tan x, this is log sec x. Exponential log get cancelled. So this is our integrating factor, that is sec x. So find out the solution. So write down therefore. Solution is, so what is the formula for finding the solution? V into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. So put the values, what is v? V means it is y raised to minus 1. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor, it is our sec x is equal to integral sec x, and what is the value of q? Q, this is again sec x dx plus constant of integration. So this is equal to, now y raised to minus 1 means this is 1 upon y into sec x. Sec x into sec x means it is integral sec square x, and what is the integral sec square x? This is tan x plus constant of integration. So just multiply by y. So this is sec x equal to y tan x plus cy. So this is our required general solution. So see, in this method what we are going to do, we are converting Bernoulli's differential equation into a linear differential equation. So thank you for watching.